Do you also know how to make Happy New Year cards? First, make a sticks of paper. Then apply glue on paper. Now follow these steps. Our sticks are ready. Take one and a paper, and cut the paper like this. Now follow these steps. Now make a pattern line. Now follow these steps. Now write a Happy New Year. Again, apply glue on paper. Stick it on top of it. Now paste a heart design. Now write a 2025. Now follow these steps. And finally, our Happy New Year card are ready.